What's up, YouTube? All right, this is Jerry over here. I just bought a 2002 Dodge Ram 5.9 liter 4x4. The oil pressure switch isn't working when I bought the truck, so I got on Amazon and bought a couple parts. And I couldn't really find any YouTube videos on really actually how to replace this thing. So these are the parts that I bought and the part numbers. So that's the pressure sending unit right here. Here is the socket for it, which you are going to need a deep well socket for this thing. Otherwise, you're not going to get it off. It's behind the throttle body on the intake manifold where the distributor sits. And so it looks like this right here. And the socket's just going to go all the way over it, like that right there, to tighten it up. So it's going to sit just like that, so you can tighten it up and then untighten the old one as well. And it sits, here's the 5.9. It sits underneath the dash right here, behind the throttle body. So I've already loosened this up. And it's going to sit. So there's your throttle body. You know, your air intake sits on top of that. Goes to the intake box. Behind it, you see the distributor with the wires coming out. It is right. And of course, you're not going to really see it. So let me try to put some light on it real quick for you. But again, going straight in. You know, got your alternator, upper radiator hose, intake manifold, throttle body. Distributor sits right here behind it. And there it is right there. Mine's already been disconnected. I got the wiring harness already off of it. You see it sitting right there with the red clip beside it. The red clip you just have to slide to the side. And just like any other clip, push the snap on the back side and then just pull it right off. So, and there it is right there. So that's literally the location. And now you see why buying that socket is going to be so much easier. Just save yourself the hassle. I think it was like $7.99 on Amazon. So definitely order that so that you can replace that. All right, thanks. I appreciate it. Bye.